traditions can be passed down from generation to generation or created in the here and now. All it takes is a little bit of intention, imagination, and creativity. I'm Kimberly Whitman, and my passions are family, entertaining, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Join me now for Styling the Seasons. Welcome. Together, we're going to celebrate Earth Day in style. From the garden to the table, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite traditions to help us celebrate this amazing planet we live on. I love the idea of setting a beautiful table and inviting family and friends for an Earth Day lunch. This simple black and white color scheme with green and terracotta accents makes for a really easy color palette when you're setting the table. I've used a black and white checkered tablecloth, and I've added white plates. I've used my wood-handled flatware and rattan-covered glasses just to give a more natural element to it. I've taken a natural wood cheese board that I use quite often and placed it down the center of the table. It's a board I use often when I'm entertaining, typically for cheese and crackers or maybe to serve drinks, but in this case, I'm using it to gather a variety of herbs in terracotta pots in the middle of the table. By pulling out the board, I'm taking a mixture of things and giving them a more cohesive look by setting them all together in one place. In the middle here, we have terracotta pots in 2 different sizes, filled with different varieties of herbs. We've got mint, we've got basil, you could add cilantro, whatever your favorite herbs are. And I love this because I'll be able to use it and keep it and take care of it for a while. I've had these monogram napkins for years. If you're thinking of investing in some nice linens that you can use over and over, I love the idea of doing white with a black monogram. It's really versatile and an easy color scheme to use on so many tables. We do our best to use real linens and real china every day so that we eliminate the waste of paper towels, paper plates, and paper napkins. We've marked everybody's place with a little 2-inch terracotta pot and plant inside and a garden tag with their name on it. This will serve as both their place card and their party favor. We're also sending everyone home with some bee-friendly wildflower seeds in the hopes that they'll plant them near their home or in their garden. And speaking of gardens, we love to plant the things in ours that we eat and enjoy the most often. We've got carrots, we've got beets, we've got onions, all sorts of varieties of lettuce, and of course, I love having flowers in the garden. hope you enjoyed getting a peek at the way we celebrate Earth Day. And I hope it inspires you to style the seasons in your own unique way. To whatever you celebrate, happy styling.